Keeping toddlers safe since 1953, worry-free safety. Perfect for indoor-outdoor use, the Toddleroo by North States Superyard Colorplay creates a safe playpen anywhere. Add the convenient folding ABC play mat, sold separately, for added comfort during tummy time. Amazing value, safe convenient. This play yard sets up and folds up quickly. Comes complete with carrying strap and non-slip pads. Plus, the durable plastic is kid-tough and difficult for either pets or children to climb. Versatile. This durable plastic 8-panel play yard creates up to 34.4 square feet of protected play space. Using in a smaller space? Simply remove 2 of the panels for a play area of 18.5 square feet. Extra wide barrier. Using a maximum of 6 panels, the play yard can now act as an extra-wide safety barrier with the Superyard Wall Mount Kit, sold separately. A perfect solution for open floor plans. Fits openings from 38.5 inches to over 16 feet wide. Baby safe. This gate is JPMA certified. Safe for babies ages 6 to 24 months. Fun for your child, peace of mind for you. Proudly made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Great for new puppy. We purchased this for a new puppy Chihuahua. She was so little 2 pounds we needed to contain her from getting hurt from the big dog in house. Fits bed, water bowl, teething toys puppy pad and works well for a puppy pad training. We designed it as a rectangle. Dog run. Plenty of room for her, especially if you need to run out and don't want to leave her in a smaller cage. She cannot jump it. She is now 4 pounds now and is secure. Sturdy. Gives you a break during day when you need to get work done. Gives us peace of mind that tiny dog's safe but can still walk around. Highly recommend as an addition to cage for puppy. Easy to put together.